Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Portia and I'm happy to have you here with me as we unbox this package. I just want to use this opportunity to say hope you're having a wonderful day and hope you're looking forward to unboxing this with me. Let's go. I have the scissors and I'm going to cut. There we go. Yeah. Woo. So this is it. It's a Seagate expansion terabyte external hard drive. Yes, I have my previous one. It's 1 terabyte and I needed to upgrade because as a YouTuber we do a lot of content and we have to store them. Our computer cannot do, our phones cannot do, so we have to get an external hard drive. Very handy, I should say. So this is almost full, so I got a second one and I'm really excited because now I can organize myself even better so that I can put out more content quicker. Okay, so this is the new one. Let's see. Need the scissors again. Let's see. There's a tape right here. Let me see if my nail can do it. Okay, it's not going to do it. It's harder than I thought. So I'm just grabbing right here, putting the edge of the scissors there, and then we are going to cut. Cut. There we go. It's always nice to get something, right? And to be able to unwrap it. Alright, so this is how the package look, how they have packaged it. This is the box. That's how the back is. And as you see right there, it's 2 terabytes. As I become more seasoned as a content creator on YouTube, I'll be able to probably get a 20 terabyte. Woo-hoo-hoo. That now would be really excited to get and unbox, and I cannot do it without you. All right, so let's see how this one looks. Oh, I must share that they have given me HelloFresh. So HelloFresh, so I got 2 what do you call it, little tickets for meals. All right, so I can redeem those free meals free meals from HelloFresh. Thank you. And I purchased this from Best Buy. So yeah, and this is it. That's the logo. The logo is right up here for the old one, and the new one is black, and it's the logo is right here. That's the Seagate. All right, and they gave me a charge port, so I need a bottom, or just or I just can, let me see if it's the same thing. Yes, so we have this part is the same, and then this part is what goes into the base, which is a little bit different from how we know it, right? So this part is different. All right, so that's for the old and this for the new. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh, I like this. It has like, how would I say it, you can actually feel, if you can hear, I can make music. feels good. I like that. This is pretty smooth before white and red, but this is all black, and it makes a sound when I rub my hands against it because it has friction, you know, like little lines. Yeah. So this is it. This is my 2 terabyte, and I'm looking forward to it because it's almost summer, late spring, almost summer. There's so much we have seen before, so much content to show to you, you know, during summer. So it's 1000 gigabyte that makes a terabyte. It's very handy. You can tuck it in your pocket. Yeah, tuck it in your pocket. See, good. And just tuck it in your handbag, tuck it in your backpack, and you're gone. So thank you so much for joining me. This is it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you can get exciting and wonderful content. Subscribing is free. And thank you so much for those who have subscribed, those who have been watching my video to the end. I really appreciate you. Big up yourself. I really appreciate you, one and all. So, one love.